Matar Paneer is a popular North Indian dish made with green peas and paneer, Indian cottage cheese, cooked in a flavorful tomato-based gravy. Here's a basic recipe to help you make delicious Matar Paneer at home. Ingredients. For the gravy. 2 cups of fresh or frozen green peas. 200 grams paneer, cubed. 2 large tomatoes, chopped. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, minced. 2-3 green chilies, slit, adjust to taste. 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon garam masala. 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/2 teaspoon kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves. 1/2 cup of cream or cashew paste, optional. 2 tablespoons oil or ghee. Salt to taste. Chopped cilantro, coriander leaves, for garnishing. Instructions. Heat oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. Add minced garlic and ginger, and sauté for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add chopped tomatoes and green chilies. Cook until the tomatoes become soft and the oil starts to separate from the masala. Allow the mixture to cool slightly, then blend it into a smooth paste using a blender or food processor. You can strain the paste to achieve a smoother texture, but it's optional. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, ground coriander, cumin powder, and sauté for a minute to let the spices cook. Add the tomato-onion paste back to the pan. Cook for a few minutes, stirring occasionally, until the masala thickens and the oil starts to separate again. Add the green peas and cubed paneer to the masala. Mix well to coat them with the gravy. Add about 1 to 1.5 cups of water to achieve the desired gravy consistency. Add salt to taste. Cover and simmer for about 5-7 minutes until the peas are cooked and the flavors melt together. Crush the dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi, between your palms and sprinkle them into the curry. Add garam masala as well. If using cream or cashew paste, add it at this stage for a richer taste. Let the curry simmer for another 2-3 minutes. Adjust the seasoning if needed. Turn off the heat and garnish with chopped cilantro. Your Matar Paneer is ready to be served. It pairs well with rice, naan, roti, or any Indian bread of your choice. Enjoy your delicious homemade dish.